So I am going to show you what happens when you get in a hurry. This is the door you may have seen the other day that was covered in body filler. And since that time, I've blocked it out and actually put some coatings on it. It was very windy yesterday, but it was probably going to be the last opportunity for me to shoot any kind of coatings outside. I don't expect that we're going to have any more warm days this year. So I think what happened was I got in a hurry. And the result is that I'm going to have to do this door over. And I'll show you why. I mean, it looks pretty good at first glance, and it is flat, no question about that. The door is flat, but I'm going to show you some of the details that are going to require me to actually do this over. Most of it has to do with this style line here, this body line. And if you look carefully, you can see that there's a line below the top body line, and that's body filler, and it shouldn't be there. And additionally, the line goes from sharp to rounded. You know, it's just not consistent. It's even got a little bit of a wave in there, a low spot there. And then at the end, it gets really sharp. And then if you go back to the other side, you know, this end is just, that just ain't right, right? So the body line on the bottom is almost gone for the last quarter inch. And on top, it kind of swoops up a little bit. So just, you know, a function of not really paying enough attention. Additionally, you know, it's, I've got some splits on here that are really just a reflection of, in many cases, it could be part of the weld. It may be just some body filler hanging over the side. The edges here are all metal. There's no body filler on the edges. So I'm gonna have to take a closer look at that, but I've got the same thing on the other side where you've got these kinds of splits showing. And that's just not very attractive, and it's not gonna make it. So for those reasons, I'm gonna be doing this door over again. Additionally, you know, I had the door hanging on two pegs, and it was at a weird angle. And so while I thought I was getting good coverage across the door, you can see on the bottom that I've got epoxy actually showing through. And this is 4 coats of urethane on top of that epoxy. So I was definitely missing there. So that's gonna have to be addressed. So I would say what I'm probably gonna attempt to do is redo the door from about a quarter inch above that style line down to the bottom, but it's very possible that I'm gonna have to just strip the door back again and start over. You know, we'll make an attempt at fixing it, but sometimes it's just easier just to start over. And you know, I probably have probably 20 hours, 25 hours in this door, and all out the window, all because I got in a hurry. And it's as simple as that. So no one to blame but me. Hope you enjoyed this. Talk to you soon. Bye.